How to hide friends on Facebook. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your friends list on your Facebook profile using the Facebook app on an iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So to hide friends on Facebook, the first thing we need to do is simply select the menu button in the bottom right of the Facebook app. And once on the menu, select the gear in the top right next to the little search icon. This will open up the settings and privacy for Facebook. From here, we simply need to scroll down until we get to audience and visibility. And then under audience and visibility, select how people find and contact you. Now that we're in how people find and contact you, the second item down is who can see your friends list. So who can see who you're friends with on Facebook. Simply select the drop down next to that. And if you want to completely hide it, select only me, but you can also select to have your friends or even specific friends be able to see your friends list. I'm going to select only me because that's the most stringent. Now that we've hidden our friends list on Facebook, we can simply go back to home, and now we're the only people that can see our friends list on Facebook. All right, so that's how you hide friends on Facebook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.